Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Within 3 days, Bone is able to land yet another significant listing. This means that Bone is now available on FlipPay, and you may trade and invest in the Bone INR pair on the FlipPay app or website without paying any fees. So the action was taken after FlipPay yesterday announced a Twitter poll where users could choose their preferred coin to be included on the platform by casting a vote. The poll received 22,722 votes, with the choices being Reef and Bone. After a close race, Reef received 52.7% of the total votes, with Bone coming in second place with 47.3%. But Flip has made the unexpected decision to list both coins on his site, which has delighted both communities. Due to the tremendous interest displayed by the Bone and Reef communities, this choice was decided. In just 3 days, the lads have now added support for the Bone in 4 exchanges. That was X, Who, and B. Okay, this is a major thing because it happened all recently. The FlipPay is then also off. Therefore, these significant changes to Bone listing will contribute to an increase in Bone costs. So today is certainly a great triumph. The market is currently heavily in the green, with many green Bitcoins looking especially fantastic. If you go look at Bone, you can see that it is currently worth $9. So catching up wasn't too bad. Earlier this year, when the Strawberry Sherbarium launch was in testing, we reached $2. Right now, it's roughly half of that. That appears promising. Just recall the time Sherbarium was introduced as the primary net. Sherbarium transactions require the ownership of Bone and the usage of Bone as the gas fee. So give that some thought. What do you anticipate for the price of Bones? When is the primary net launch of Sherbarium? Well, let me tell you that a lot of people are going to suddenly buy, and spend their money. The value is there, and a Bone price will accomplish some amazing things. Even if it increased to $5, I wouldn't be shocked. You might respond, "Oh, well, then its market capitalization would be something like over $1 billion. But that's what would happen if it has a significant function and lots of users. That's really it for the day, I guess. Consider cryptocurrency to be currency that must be utilized for transactions in order to have value. Because of this, the value of Ethereum ranges from $200 billion to $10 billion. It is utilized as a result. I mean, you need to use Ethereum if you want to purchase an NF. We must utilize Ethereum as the gas fee if you want to use this platform. Token exchanges require the use of Ethereum. So when we see Bones, that's what we're looking at. I think it has a lot of value, and we'll see that when Sherbarium launches, which is going to happen pretty shortly. We recently received a tweet from one of the top men saying, "It's go time." So we are receiving information letting us know that things are going well. We're now in a situation where, the situation is about to alter. So it goes without saying that we have a ton of tokens waiting for the big pump. This week, the middle of the week is going to be exciting, I added. Wednesday, the middle of the week, was a great day. In actuality, we have advanced since 7 days ago. So, as you can see, things are going great for us right now. Bitcoin is prospering. It will, in my opinion, increase to 33-34. We're going to reach some new yearly highs. I'm sure Solana will catch up, I believe XRP is significantly undervalued and will quickly increase to 60 or 70 cents. Shiba Inus, who are currently grossly undervalued, are the same. So, the tokens will start to surge. I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you guys.